Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lexus GS350 oil light. First, find the trip meter reset button, usually near your speedometer. Next, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer is showing either ODO or trip on the display. This is a crucial first step for a successful reset. Now, turn your ignition completely off. Then, turn it back to the on position again, still without starting the engine. Immediately press and hold the trip meter reset button. You'll need to keep this button pressed for approximately 10 seconds. Continue holding it until you observe the maintenance light on your dashboard start to flash. As you continue to hold the button, the maintenance light will flash a few times and then completely turn off. This indicates the reset process is nearly complete. Once the light extinguishes, you can release the trip meter button. Finally, start your engine to confirm that the oil maintenance required light is no longer illuminated on your dashboard. Remember, resetting this light only clears the indicator. It does not perform an oil change. It's vital to always ensure your Lexus GS350 receives its oil changes and other scheduled maintenance at the manufacturer's recommended intervals. For precise details on your vehicle's service needs, always refer to your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.